as a fully sorted build that delivers on every level. This 1970 GTO is the kind of classic you simply cannot ignore. It cruises like a champ, charges like a bull, and oozes the style and class that made the original GOAT the stuff of legend. Documented by Pontiac Historic Services, this authentic GTO is the beneficiary of a fresh ground-up restoration. That reboot dressed mostly original sheet metal in a rich coat of gloss black 2-stage. And today, this handsome poncho walks a fine line between tastefully modern and traditionally conservative. Open the doors and you'll find a conservative black interior that's stylish and very livable. There's a quartet of seats, 2 of which are fitted with small headrests, all of which are wrapped in fresh vinyl. A cap dash hangs an attractive instrument panel in front of Dakota digital gauges, and the driver stays connected to the road through a polished steering wheel and her shifter. Lift the hood to find 6.2 liters of aluminum LS-based GM small block. That LS376 is rated at 495 horsepower, and it sends power to a Tremec T56 6-speed and 10-bolt axle. Thanks to its quality restoration, this stylish coupe retains authentic muscle car feel while adding proven components to an already awesome ownership experience. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.